Before we begin this tutorial, please ensure that your model is properly centered on the origin. This will maintain the functionality of the simulator camera views and robot spawning within the simulator. Once your field is centered at the origin, click on the Environments tab in the toolbar and open up the Field Exporter. You will first want to begin by adding a component group. Component groups determine the physics, such as mass and friction levels, of Inventor models once they enter the simulator. A helpful way to think of components is to think of them as different sections of the field, such as the floor, walls, or game pieces. One major difference between components themselves is their collider shape. Synthesis supports 3 different kinds of collider shapes, or meshes: a box, a sphere, and the mesh collider. The box and the sphere try to fit themselves to each model within the component and take up at least the same amount of space. The mesh collider fits itself exactly to the model, but it takes longer to generate and slows the simulator if used in excess. To edit a component, navigate to the Project Explorer bar on the left-hand side of your screen, then click Edit Component. From here, you will be able to see every possible configurable setting for that model. Note, these options will change depending on the type of collider that is assigned. Once your components have been properly configured, we can begin to add models. Both Add Assembly and Add Part work in a similar fashion, as they both change the level of selection that is available to you. However, Assembly will allow you to select top-level assemblies, whereas Part will allow you to reach the bottom-level parts. Both Add Assembly and Add Part act like the Edit Component button. This allows you to click on the component that you want to add the models to, and then click the respective button to add assemblies or parts. After every model has been added to a component, click Export Field to finalize the exportation. Caution: if you don't add a model to a component, it will show up in the field and appear configured, but it will not interact with the rest of the field or the robot. When you are saving your exported field, be sure to direct the exporter to an empty folder in Documents/Synthesis/Fields. Now you are ready to go. Thank you for watching this synthesis tutorial. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials. If you're interested in contributing to synthesis, make sure to check out our GitHub page as well.